It's cracked away. Nicely played. That's going to go for 4. That's going to help their cause. End of the over. 6 from it. 20. Oh, that's picked up nicely. That's a wonderful shot. That's gone for 6. That's almost into camera 5. Into the tower.
What a beautiful shot that is. This will give.
Chopped away. Nice solid shots. 4 runs. Good work from Nabi.
I think Barry McCarthy will be disappointed with his efforts here at backward point. Definitely body on the line.
It's nicely played. That's going to go for 4. That's a lovely shot. Beautiful stuff from Nabi. He's gone to 24 of 15 now. He's playing superbly.
Well, that's good to see the positive intent despite the wicket falling. Mohammad Nabi.
What a beautiful way to end the over. Overpitched, and he just goes straight back over the bowler's head. 78 for 4.
Goodness me, he's hit that hard. Mohammad Nabi slashed it away backward a point. Takes him 1 shy of a half century.
Oh, he's been enjoying himself no matter what's happening on the other end.
That's sliced off the outside edge. Sterling's trying to get under it, and he does so. So Nabi, he won a couple of battles.